Sniffles. Hi, everyone. It's me, Sonya. I don't know about you, but my parents are super caring.
There. It's really windy outside.
What a cute doggy.
No. Dogs bite sometimes.
They're constantly making sure that nothing bad happens to me.
So that you don't get heat stroke.
Uh-huh.
Basically, I have no freedom. Toastville isn't like that. There you can do whatever you want. Toastville time for Sonya.
Attention! Attention! An outbreak of the Toastville Sniffles is spreading fast. Nose plugs are highly recommended for everyone so you don't sneeze your brains out. Phew! One big sneeze, no more sniffles. Attention! The Toastville Sniffles! Buy yourself nose plugs right away!
Oh, Sonya! Hiya! Come here, quick! Hiya! I wonder what's going on.
Wait up! Come back here!
Nothing.
I can't watch. So awful! Uh-oh, my nose feels tickly. Oh, no. My nose, too! That Toastian gave us the sniffles! Who did? Don't sneeze! We absolutely have to get plugs for the noses! Hey, you there! Can you hurry it up?
Hey there, girls. You feeling better, I hope?
Hiya, Muffy! Hiya! Yes, thank you.
The one good thing about the Toastville Sniffles is that they go away once you sneeze. Just make sure you have the plugs in. Look at mine. They're colorful. Oh, oops, popcorn. Stop that. Oh, I'm gonna sneeze. What do I do now?
Here, take mine. That's nuts, Sonya. They're covered in boogers. You can never use nose plugs more than once. Any ideas how we can plug the other one?
Hey, hi, everyone. Whoa! Muffy wasn't afraid to come outside with the Toastville Sniffles going around?
Hello, Nick. We were just Catch it now!
Oh! Muffy, it looks like your brains decided to travel around the world. Hey, Muffy, what are you doing?
He's probably going after his brain. Not sure about that.
Don't!
One more. Gimme.
Oh, I see. Through his nostril, Muffy sneezed out the brain hemisphere that's responsible for self-preservation.
I want to skate.
We should go look for it before Muffy hurts himself.
Give it to me, Nick. I want to skate.
Full steam ahead to Muffy's half brain, and here we go!
Oh, that's such a cute fish. I should post this online. It's a Toastville pickerel. This'll get even more laughs.
Let me catch it.
Muffy, where are you going? Row towards your brain or you'll stay like this forever!
Wow, this fish is so cool.
Whoa, the fishy is hungry!
Hey, you sprat! Leave our muffin alone!
So, Muffy, your plan was to look inside its stomach to see how how many Toastians it ate before you?
Uh-huh.
Muffy's brain is too far ahead to catch now.
Whoa! Those fishermen got a mind-blowing catch today!
Hurry! Let's get inside that factory! Go! The can!
So dope!
Muffy! Where did that can go? There it is! Does anyone remember which one his brain is in?
Oh! It's the one with the fish on it!
Every can has a fish on it!
Strike!
Oh, Muffy!
Muffy, you're gonna get sucked in! Oh no, Muffy! Because of your silly tricks, you might stay half-brained forever!
Oh, Muffy the homebody. What happened to the good old days?
Listen up, guys. I've got a plan. Popcorn, sniff Muffy, please. Find it! Come on! Popcorn, where have you brought us?
This is a fancy restaurant for canned fish-loving folks.
My fellow connoisseurs of canned fish, even the Toastville Sniffles won't get in the way of our feast. I hope you've all sneezed already with your plugs in.
Yes.
And your brains are intact. And now I hereby declare our gala lunch celebrating the arrival of a fresh batch of our favorite delicacies is open!
Excuse me, you can't eat that lunch!
How dare you? I've been waiting for this all morning.
I won't leave with an empty stomach. Never disturb the chairman when he's enjoying his lunch. Oh, this is something new. Could this be caviar?
So sure you'll like the taste of that!
He's about to.
Muffy, I dare you to jump on this tray, surf right across the table, and steal that penguin's lunch!
Muffy can do it all.
Muffy, you've got a fan.
What is this gross thingy?
We later learned on the Toastnet that thanks to modern medicine, the brain can be reinserted into a Toastian's head by having them drink it through a straw.
Wow.
Muffy, can you show me that cool broken fan trick?
I have brains to think with. I'm not looking for any trouble.
Whoa, hey, welcome back!
It's so great that you're boring again. Well, it's been fun, guys, but I have stuff to do back home. Home time for Sonya. Anyone with brains should understand your loved ones are only looking out for you. Basically, I realize that it's worth listening to the advice of your parents and friends. They always want what is best for you, even though sometimes they can overdo it a little bit. And this one's for Aktai and Baku. Some fish in Toastville do fly like birds. And vice versa. I'm out. See ya. Bye-bye.
Sonya from Toastville!
Mothers and daughters. Hi, everyone. Sonya here. I love spending my free time in Toastville. Toastville time for...
Sonya, hurry up. You've got your horse riding lessons in 15 minutes.
Sonya, get ready. You have your programming club.
Sport fishing lessons.
Knitting club.
Don't get me wrong. I love all my hobbies. I just wish I had more time to spend with my friends.
Sonya, are you ready?
Toastville time for Sonya.
Sonya!
Hurry, hurry, hurry. Oh, Toastville is like the best place ever. Later, Scarfy. And my friends really wanted to know why I haven't visited in forever.
You're one tough cookie. If I ran around so much, I'd crumble apart.
Uh-huh. When I have kids, I'm gonna make sure they have plenty of free time. No clubs with Sonya the Cool Mom. Wait. You guys even have parents? Where do Toastians come from?
Well, we come from different places. Like Nick here fell from a tree.
And Muffy was baked in an oven.
My butt is burning. I might have been overbaked a little.
But most Toastians come from
Bada. Most Toastians come from her.
Whoa.
What a handsome little guy.
Who's that little monkey rat?
Oh, you sure he's not a snapping turtle?
Oh, man. Where's my rocking chair and slippers?
Wow. So you're just born old here?
Of course. It's not like that where you're from.
No. You have to grow old yourself. So can anyone here just get a child from Bada?
Yep, but you have to take one for a test drive first.
Yeah, Bada makes a small copy of you. It's digital, but it acts just like a real kid.
Oh, I so want to try. How awesome. A little Sonya that I can make happy.
Go for it. To make a copy, just lick your thumb and put a print right here.
Yep, got it. That's to get my DNA sample, right?
Your damn what? Toastians always lick something whenever they make an agreement.
Ah, instead of a signature.
Yeah.
Whoa. Whoa, so cute.
Adorable.
She'll only be active for 3 hours.
My little baby. I'm gonna call you Monya.
Sonya.
Everything went great at first.
Sonya, spin. Sonya, fly. Sonya, hop. Sonya, dig. Fly. Hop. Spin.
But then I got in way over my head. Rest time for Sonya.
Sonya, we have super turbo news. Guess who's performing live in the square in 1 hour?
Oh, the Happy Stone.
They're my favorite band.
Sonya, dig.
Sorry, guys, I can't go. Monya has so much energy. I have to keep her entertained.
Dig.
Why don't you sign her up for a Toastian Digger Club? They dig constantly.
Is she your sister?
She's my test daughter. You know, just trying out this whole motherhood thing.
So cool. We'll look after her.
Amazing. I'll pick you up right after the concert, Monya. Mwah. Bye.
Dig. Dig.
Monya? Where are you? Bee? Bo? Anyone?
Well, I'm anyone. Why are you yelling?
Oh, hi, Mr. Anyone. Have you seen, a little version of me anywhere? Along with two twins?
I haven't seen anybody, but... Oh! Oh, my spikes! Someone broke through the cheese membrane.
I got it.
This is a really bad idea. There's nothing but Crumbles on the other side!
By then, I was well aware of the cheese membrane that separates the planet into two parts. On one side is Toastville, where the Toastians live, and on the other side, the burnt lands, home of the crusty, cunning Crumbles. Phew. So this is it. The burnt lands. I wonder what Crumbles look like.
The visitors won't talk, so we'll find the hole in the membrane ourselves.
Or Crumblehook will make them talk.
Whoa, that was really dark. I wonder if Monya and Bo are in there.
I'll have them talking in no time. Swear on the burnt crust. But first, let's have a mug of this delicious slop.
I could say that everything went according to plan, but there was no plan.
Sonya!
Dig! Shh! Dig no, save yes.
It's no use. It's been programmed to only open for Crumbles.
Programmed? I've been going to programming club for 2 years. I'll just reprogram it. Here we go. That wasn't it. So let's try this. That wasn't it either. Aha! Here we go. Run!
Hey, stop!
This way.
Huh?
Fishing club. The fish are really biting here. Run! Horse riding! Monya, go! Giddy up!
Get them!
Yeah! Easy peasy.
How about that?
A walk in the park. Wow! Good horse. I wish I could show you off to my riding coach.
In your dreams, girl.
A talking horse.
Sonya, hurry!
We're stuck. So, not entirely sure how my knitting club can help here. Oh, Scarfy! Toastville is the best place ever. Thank you, guys.
Sonya.
Monya.
Sonya.
Monya. I'm gonna miss her so badly.
Digital kids, real feelings.
Well, do you want to ask Dada for a real Toastian child now?
Oh, no. Maybe next time. Home time for Sonya. Turns out being a parent is no walk in the park.
Sonya, where are you?
I'm coming, Daddy! Looks like Mom and Dad got me into all those clubs for a good reason. And a special message to Tim from New York. The Happy Stones concert really was the best one ever. Bye-bye.